Hello, everybody, and welcome to another week where we get to draw together. And gently and try to keep it from not moving too much. You will find that your bottom finger hits your belly button. Pretty awesome, right? Our bodies are really cool with portions. If you ever get stuck, use your own body. Okay, so I'm going to find the center of my eye and I'm going to draw a circle in that iris. And I'm going to take my pencil, drag it over to the other side and do the same. So that is it for this week. I hope you have an amazing week and weekend and evening and day, whatever, just a bit of moment of little bit of happiness within. You're all doing an amazing job, so I hope you do give yourself a pat on the back with all of these amazing expressions and characters. So until next week, bye.